Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. In today's video, I'm sharing all of the cards I made using Spellbinders 2024 Crafty Advent Calendar. This is the third year I've used their Advent Calendar, and all three have been so much fun. The calendars include die sets, stamps, stencils, embossing folders, and sequins. And the products are not holiday themed, so you can use them throughout the year. I shared a process video for every single card, so 24 videos. This would be the 25th, which is just a recap. I'm showing all 24 of my cards. For this year, I used an assortment of paper pads. These were already paper pads that I had cut into and used for other projects. So I thought it would be a good idea to use up some of the things that are already in my craft room. If you're interested in the specific products I use for each card, you can always head over to my blog. I have all of the products listed at the bottom of my blog post. What made this year really fun is that my daughter decided to play along. At first she thought she would make just a few cards, but she ended up making all 24. So here's a look at the 24 cards my daughter Penny made. She used an assortment of her own craft supplies. Some of them have been gifted to her by me. Years ago, I gave her a few of the Spellbinders card kits, and I know that's some of the pattern paper she used for her cards. She really enjoys making wax seals and had quite the stash. She really wants to make more wax seals, but she decided she needed to use up some that she's already made. So about half of her cards, maybe a few more, feature a wax seal. I think she did an amazing job with her cards. She's been crafting with me since she was just a toddler. And here's a look at all of the cards photographed. The first picture features December 1st through December 12th. And the second picture features the products from December 13th all the way through the 24th. I have shared individual pictures of all of the cards on my coordinating blog post, and that link is in the description box below. I've laid out all of the items that are included in Spellbinders 2024 Crafty Advent Calendar. So many fun products. Hopefully my daughter and I have given you some inspiration over the last 24 days. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish everyone a very Merry Christmas.